guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your hidden stories settings on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click stories, and now click here, and here you'll find view hidden channels. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage your hidden stories easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.